Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna show you how to play Screw My Juice by Juice WRLD very quickly on the guitar. Nothing to learn over here. There are many Juice WRLD songs from new album Legend Never Dies where it has some cool guitar, but some song do has a piano which are not that interesting to play on the guitar. But still, you can just check out my playlist. I've made the whole album Legend Never Dies. So it took me the whole day. Like I made 13 videos in 24 hours with tabs and all stuff that you need, so it was really hard for me. Therefore I need you to subscribe. Please subscribe me, guys. I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as soon as possible. Dropping one of these if this helps you out. And let's get started. Keep on the first fret. Just two chords for this song. We have a E minor 0 2 2 0 0 0, then a D major mute mute 0 2 3 2. Then what I do is I have these two fingers fixed on third fret of the E and the B string, and I do place the E minor chord, so it becomes the E minor 7. I can just do that, and the D major is normal. Now the chord progression will be a D major and the E minor, and I'm just going to show you the rhythm in a second. But before that, just have a look at the small melody we have in the beginning of the intro. So it goes like this. We have third fret on the high E string, then open B string, then open high E string, then third fret on the high E string, and second fret on the high E string, then third fret on the B string, open B string, third fret on the B string, then second fret, open on the G string, second fret on the G string, then open B string, third fret on the B string. I'm going very fast because there's nothing much to this song has nothing to learn. Therefore, there's nothing to worry about over here. And that's it. And just have a look at the rhythm and we are done in a second. So the rhythm will be a down, down, up, up, down. So nice and easy, simple, super simple. Down, down, up, down. And we just do that once for each chord, and we just alternate between the D and the E minor 7 chord. So down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. And that's it for the song. Nothing else to learn over here. So I told you this was very short. There's nothing much to learn over here. I think this is one of those song in Juice WRLD's new album which has nothing to learn. Therefore, check out the playlist, done all the song, and if you guys request, I'm just going to do Lucid Dreams. See, there's hardly any nice guitar tutorial on it. We'll show you how to play the Lucid Dreams, and it has a bit intermediate challenging finger picking part. So you can just let me know comment below whether you do that or not. Once again, please subscribe, and whenever I put any stuff, I put them with tabs. You will see many other tutorials telling that you need to just go to the .com, subscribe them, take the subscription, be a premium member, then you will be able to access the tab. But it's not in the case of mine. I'm just gonna ready to provide you everything for free, and this is my promise. That's it, and see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.